Day. Today, we're looking at a special branch of ecology and agriculture known as permaculture. It's an exciting field that combines sustainability with design principles. Permaculture is made up of 12 specific principles, which form the basis for environmental stewardship. In this video we're going to briefly explore the 12 principles of permaculture. Let's have a look at the principles. Principle number 1. Observe and interact. This means getting to know your environment, soil composition and weather patterns, local plants and herbivorous animals before you start making plans or planting seeds. Number 2. Catch and store energy. In other words, save energy in any form you can, whether it be water runoff or capturing the sun's rays for electricity. Number 3. Obtain a yield by balancing between conserving resources and developing them for human use. The fourth principle speaks to balance through self-regulation and feedback loops, systems that modify their own behavior based on current conditions or inputs from outside sources. This leads us to number 5. Use renewable resources when available, such as wind, water or solar power rather than relying solely on non-renewable resources like oil. Principle 6 emphasizes careful production. Strive to make no waste. That goes for materials, energy, water, the works. Number 7 reminds us to create designs that work with nature. Start with larger patterns, then break them down into smaller pieces until even the smallest details are accounted for. Integration instead of segregation is principle number 8. Think blending urban settlement with natural environment optimally rather than having them separate from each other entirely. 9 suggests small, slow solutions such as drip irrigation over large watering systems that may be expensive or complicated to maintain long-term. Diversity is key according to Principle 10. Growing different crops together increases resilience to pests and disease when compared to monocultures composed of only one type of plant species. 11 stresses the importance of edges. Marginal areas where two habitats meet often have higher biodiversity than either system by itself. Finally, prepare yourself for continual change using permaculture's 12th principle. Creatively respond and take advantage of unexpected developments as they occur, even if those changes contradict what you had previously expected or planned. And there you have it, folks. There's your crash course on permaculture principles. Get out there and experiment with them yourself. If you want to learn more about these principles, head over to livingalittlegreener.com